At the heart of a profitable egg farming operation lies efficiency. And at SANOVO, we know that optimizing your packing process is key to long-term success. Automating as many steps as possible isn't just a convenience, it's a smart investment that pays off. The eggs are transported from the henhouse to the SANOVO Farm Packer 100 via 3 moving conveyor tables. Our farm packer is designed to meet the needs of farms large and small, whether you choose the Farmpacker 40, 100, or 200 model. The Farmpacker 100 packs up to 100 cases per hour, handling 36,000 eggs, making it the highest capacity achievable with a single lane. With features like a denester, equipped with a missing tray detector, and an optional tray buffer for enhanced operator efficiency, the Farmpacker simplifies the entire packing process. A key feature of the Farmpacker 100 is its automatic denester. This system feeds single trays to the packing position without manual intervention, and with its built-in missing tray detector, you can rest assured that no egg is ever packed without a tray in place. Designed with your farm environment in mind, the SANOVO Farm Packer is simple, reliable, robust, and flexible, just like it should be. The Farm Packer uses a simple but effective force: gravity. Gravity never fails, ensuring that each egg is consistently placed into the tray with minimal impact. The system is designed to minimize drop height, ensuring a safe transfer to the tray below. Each tray holds 30 eggs, carefully aligned and ready for the next stage. For traceability, eggs are printed with identification data. Various printer options are available to suit your operation's needs. From the Farm Packer, the filled trays are transferred to the SX40 Tray Stacker. This automated system stacks the trays. It's about more than just convenience, it's about ensuring safety, efficiency, and fewer broken eggs. The SX40 can handle any kind of 30 egg trays, whether they are made of plastic or pulp. As each tray is added to the stack, the system rotates the unfinished stack 90 degrees. This alternating orientation ensures that the trays are stacked with optimal stability. Automation offers more than just improved efficiency and productivity. It transforms the way egg farms operate. By automating processes, farmers can increase output while maintaining a safe and comfortable working environment. This shift allows them to focus on managing their farm instead of handling repetitive tasks like packing. Manually palletizing stacks can become a repetitive, time-consuming, and error-prone task, especially when building a full pallet. The stack palletizer automates this process, lifting up to 4 stacks at a time and gradually building a pallet that can weigh up to 725 kilograms. By handling the heavy lifting step by step, it ensures efficiency and precision, reducing the strain on your team while minimizing errors. The SANOVO Stack Palletizer is designed for versatility. It can handle both plastic and pulp trays, plastic dividers, and even plastic pallets like the Eggs Cargo system, ensuring compatibility with a variety of packaging solutions. The Stack Palletizer is available in 4 standard configurations, ranging from 3.9 to 7.7 meters wide, designed to fit different farm setups. For unique requirements, customized configurations can also be arranged upon request. At this location, the Stack Palletizer is configured with 5 loading positions, plus a dedicated pickup position for interlayers and pallets. Maintaining the Stack Palletizer is simple. It can be easily cleaned using manual dry cleaning or pressured air to remove larger dust particles. While water cleaning is reserved for its stainless steel parts, the overall system is designed for straightforward maintenance. At SANOVO, we go beyond packing eggs. We're your partner, providing scalable solutions to help your farm grow efficiently. Explore the full spectrum of SANOVO's egg handling solutions. Visit our website or contact us today to discover how we can help optimize your operation every step of the way.